You're finally ready to make the kind of money and live the kind of lifestyle that you have been dreaming of for so long, listen up. Hello, my name is Joanna Fatonji. I am a certified life mastery consultant, and I help entrepreneurial women to step into their wealth identity and create a business system that serves you, that serves your femininity, that serves your energy, that serves your intellect, and that serves your desires. In my work, I combine neuroscience, social psychology, skill development, and of course, wealth consciousness. So let's dive right in. Up until now, you have been playing the good girl. That is at the bottom of all of it. You have been conditioned from the time you were in your mother's womb to be a slave. Let's call it facts. Women in this world are conditioned to be good, to well behave, to serve others, and ultimately to see themselves as incapable of creating the lives that they truly desire by themselves and supportive people. Many women are trapped in pleasing, people pleasing, in victimhood, in wanting to be liked by others, in overgiving, in oversharing, in compromising. If that's been you, it's time to cut this shit out. If you are ready to really get into your bad bitch era, it's time to stop operating from the good girl and start learning universal principles that are in alignment with continuously making your life better and better and better. And that is what I teach in my programs and my courses here on social media. And one thing I want to give to you today is if you've been reading all the books, studying, listening to others, watching social media, consuming. Again, maybe you're also the kind of woman that is highly educated. You have a bachelor's degree, you have a master's degree, maybe you even have a PhD, you have climbed the corporate ladder in honorable or what is it, like prestigious institutions, maybe in corporate or in government, but still you don't really feel fulfilled. Like that's not really the kind of life that you desire to live. Let me be real with you. You want to be free, right? You want to be free. And money is what gives you the freedom alongside freeing your mind and especially act accordingly. Okay, so if you're ready to step into that new identity, you have to apply, as I said, universal law, spiritual science. Yes, correct. Spiritual science, not something outside of you, but something deep within you. And that's where neuroscience comes in. And I want to give you practical tools, right? If you have done the visualization, you even have the business, you have the ideas, you have a business plan, you have all of the theory down. But up until now, you still haven't been able to translate that into money, into the right clients, right? Into a satisfying business. It is because of your nervous system. You've probably heard that before, but it's about you stepping into the version of yourself that is actually ready to make it happen. Meaning, you are ready to be seen in your bad bitch identity, in your wealth identity, meaning you're no longer people pleasing. You're not doing it for the approval, for the validation of others, but because you know that what you have to give is truly valuable, right? That is the law of the market. I have 15 years of experience in sales. And one thing I can tell you is that nobody actually cares about pleasing others. It's about facts, right? If you're good at what you do, you have to show up as such, right? It's not about trying to please somebody, but it's about saying, this is what I have to offer. You need me. You either want to save time, I can do it for you. You want to make more money or protect your money, I can help you with that. Or you want a pleasant experience. And this is where luxury comes in. Luxury experiences, luxury textures, luxury um, everything that has to do with sensuality, with arts. These are the three things: more time, do it for me; more money, or protecting your money, or having a great life experience. This is what it ultimately comes down to. And if you have something to offer that plays into these three things, you have a validation to step on the scene and play the game to win. What you need to do, if you already have the theory down, don't over intellectualize it anymore. It's time to be that woman. It's time to embody her. It's time to embody your wealth identity. And you do that by feeling safe in your body, feeling safe, being heard, and being seen, right? You want to feel safe speaking about you and what you have to offer and your experiences and your knowledge and your expertise. Again, not from a place of wanting to be liked, but actually from a place of, I have something to offer. Okay? Plain as that. You want to be heard. You want to dare to speak your truth. Okay? And you want to be seen. And that comes with appearing as the wealthiest identity. And that comes with thoughts, feelings, actions, behavior. I call it in my work, I call it the results formula. The way you think, and it's not just one thought, it's a whole paradigm, it's a whole system. The good girl mindset, as I said, the good girl mindset needs to be cut down, and we have to reinstall a new paradigm, a new way of being, which is the, if you so will, the bad bitch identity. It's a way of thinking in alignment with natural law. Okay? It's not evil, it's natural. Okay? Nature is intelligent, and it's time for you to align with intelligence. So, stepping into your wealth identity, meaning aligning with natural law. The way you think in alignment with prosperity, with wealth, with natural law, the way you feel, and this is where the safety comes in. The nervous system holds your trauma. Your body keeps the score. You've probably heard that before, right? Your body keeps the score. That means your body has a remembrance of all of the time you were shut down in your life, maybe by your parents, by your caretakers, by your teachers, by your professors, by a partner, by friends. Most people on this planet are victims. Plain as that, most people operate from a lack mindset. That's why they feel threatened when somebody thrives, right? When somebody is too bright, too brilliant, too beautiful, too smart, too witty, oh my God, let alone you are all of that. You are a triple threat. You are just too much to handle. When you are that person, people are going to try to cut you down. People will try to nag you, humble you, sometimes even your own mother, your own father, the people in your family. They will try to put you back into your place, right? Who do you think you are? And so on and so forth. We've all heard that. So if you are ready to step into your wealth identity, make the kind of money that you truly deserve, be seen, be heard, you have to reprogram your nervous system to feel safe, embodying your brilliance, embodying your beauty, and showing up as her, right? Speaking as her, not playing small, not playing shy, not playing dumb, not putting yourself down, but actually embodying your own fullness. That's what it's about. If you're ready to embody that fullness, you speak from a place of authority. You place yourself on the pedestal. Yes, you are the one who has something to say. And you show up as that by the way you look. You don't look neglected. Let's be real. Let's talk about that, okay? If you feel like you're ready to step into your wealth identity, if you see yourself as a high value product on the marketplace of life, you will have to look the part. That's so important. I constantly see people who are, I call them social justice warriors. They want to change the system. They see the system, and I know the system as well. Capitalism, patriarchy, and racism, those things are happening, but it's a cult, it's a spell, it's a lie. So you have to free yourself from all of these limiting beliefs that have been tried to be implanted in you, yeah, from the time you were in your mother's womb, as I said. So we get rid of that, okay? We get rid of that, and to look the part, right? Look as if you are worth your own attention, right? How would you want somebody else to invest with you, buy your products, buy your services, if you look like you don't even believe in yourself, if you look like you don't even take care of yourself, if you look like you are not even worth your own attention? All right? So these might be harsh truth for you, but these are just general basic understandings that people at a high level understand. You have to look the part. You have to take care of yourself because you are the asset. Okay? So, again, to make it practical, if you're ready to be seen, be heard, because these are the prerequisites of you making business, right? You're exchanging your knowledge, your expertise, your time, your experience, your energy, whatever it is that you offer. You have to be visible. You have to be seen. People need to get to know you, right? Business is done by know, like, and trust, right? Which I believe trust is the most important, because you don't have to like somebody. If they're an expert, you will still hire them, right? If your child is dying and there's one expert that has the cure for whatever your child is suffering from, wouldn't you still hire that person even if you didn't like them? Good question, right? Because that's exactly what most people do not do. If you find somebody like me, maybe I trigger you, maybe you're still here listening because you feel that there's some truth in what I say, right? But many women, especially, will sabotage themselves by not working with somebody who actually has what they need, but they will not work with her because you don't like me, because I trigger you, because you think, oh my God, who does she think she is, right? But that's exactly why you're stuck, okay? I know I'm putting too many information in this video, but I want to let you know you can have everything you truly desire, but you have to kill the version of yourself that you have been operating as up until now. The good girl mindset, the good girl feeling small, hiding, right? Not feeling worthy of your own attention, not feeling worthy to invest in yourself, not feeling worthy to get the support, not feeling worthy to be heard, to be seen, to say, hey, I have something for you and it's valuable, and I'm not going to give it away for free because I am here on the marketplace and I am ready to trade, right? Value for value. That is exchange. That is making money. That is business. Okay. I have something that I have to offer and I am going to give it to you only if you pay me. Right? So we're not giving away the gems for free, because why would you do that? That's good girl behavior. You're giving yourself away, your time, your energy, just because you're seeking approval. Let's be real. We've all been there. I have been there too, right? That's why I know exactly what I'm talking about. But you have to cut that shit down and you have to step into your bad bitch identity, which is in alignment with natural law, right? With your spiritual aspect, with growth, with expansion, with flow, with wealth. That is the kind of transformation that I help my clients get into. So, again, you have to change your mindset, but most of all, you have to change your embodiment. Feeling healthy in a way, you have to feel sound. Let's use that word, sound, meaning that your mind, what you think, and the way you feel in your body is in alignment. You feel like the expert. You feel worthy. You feel safe showing up as the person who got it going on, right? You feel that way. You feel confident, right? And you do it over and over and over again because you know that you have something valuable to offer. You speak about it, you feel that way. And the last step, which many people are missing, is you act that way, right? You feel that way and you speak that way, and your actions on a daily basis are in alignment with what you truly desire, right? You do it, whatever that means for you, right? All of your actions are in alignment with the version of you who makes that kind of money, right? Your wealth identity. In order for you to make the kind of money and live the life that you truly desire, and I'm going to give you a little hint here, is the life that you truly desire is to be free. The life that you truly desire is to be free to do whatever you please. Of course, in alignment with natural law, because everything has consequences, yeah? But you want to be free. And that is not only the money, but it comes with money. Abundance is freedom. You want to experience, right? You want to grow. You want to experience things. You want quality. You want good experiences, good people. You want to be in charge of your own life instead of slaving away, being trapped by different systems, by family, by people, but ultimately by your own identity. So if you're ready to do the work to transform yourself, work with me. I have a program that is available now in my sanctuary. I have a Skool community, the sanctuary, and this is where you find a beginner's level, right? You find a beginner's level program that you can do on your own for only 600 euros or dollars. And if you want to work with me one-on-one in a container where I personally support you in that transformation journey, where you create your vision, where you shift your identity and mainly stabilize that version of yourself. I teach you a whole proven, repeatable, reliable system of transformation that whatever you really want to do, you have to pay attention. Not only pay the money, you have to focus on it.